Hello guys and girls and welcome back. It's your boy Big John and I'm here today to tell you the NEO indicator has been released. Yes, that's right guys and girls, already people are making profits. I know you're gonna love this video, so don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe and switch on those bell notifications. Let's get straight into it. So right now you can see I'm in the free Telegram group. If you have not managed to join this group, the link is in the description below, and here is where I'm giving out constant ideas of what gold can be doing, even giving you possible times when to enter the market. But if not, I am telling you exactly what gold could be doing on a day-to-day basis so your trading can become better. Now when we come over to the EZ Forex Enterprise Signals group, now this group here is a signals group, and this group is where I'm giving out my day trades, and this is specifically for VIP members. For the last 3 weeks we've actually had a very good winning spree, and I've been giving out some solid A1 trades where people have been making money, and you can see the exact idea of what I was looking at and how I kind of do it here. And as you can see up here, our pip count for last week was 5,000 pips, and currently this week we are standing at 3,000 pips with this setup here. You can see, so we're almost at 9,000 pips altogether from last week to this week, and I haven't even counted the week before that. Okay, so in this video there's no need for me to go over the strategy I'm going to be talking about in this video, because in my Discord I've put a full detailed explanation explaining exactly what to look for in every single setup. You can see here where there's a full detailed step 1, step 2, step 3 and step 4. This goes for both versions of the buy trade setups, and this goes for both versions of the sell trade setups. I've also got a video that's linked below where I went through a stage by stage guide just like this, and you'll be able to watch a video to see these types of trade setups, or again join my Discord with the link in the description below, and all of the strategies are here. So not only strategy 2, there's strategy 1 and strategy 3, and here's a whole manual of how to actually use NEO the indicator. So you can see it's very detailed all here just like this, but going through the NEO settings as well and what they mean. Now we've got all of that good stuff out of the way, let's get straight into this. Okay, so I couldn't really make this any easier. Like I've said before, we need to be on a 4-hour time frame, and we're literally using these boxes here to help us out when it comes to entry, stop loss, and then we're going to be using NEO to find out where our take profit is and when a break of structure is happening in the market. So over here on CADCHF, you can see there was a break of structure here. There was obviously one over here. Again, all of this information based on NEO is in my Discord group explaining exactly what every single thing is. These squares are showing us a break of structure. So we can see there was another break of structure there, and then our entry would have been as soon as price action came back to this level, and then we was looking to take a trade set up from here all the way down to at least here. Now you can see this hit TP1, which was the sell side liquidity here. Here it also hit this one here and this one here. So that was like 4 TP levels in this one move. It was CPI week last week, so this is why we saw a lot of big pushes, but this is what the setup does, and I'm going to go into showing you exactly how it's even done it in this week as well. When we go over to EURCAD, so like I said before, this was something I gave away in my Zoom call. We see the same thing here. We see a break of structure over here, bullish to the upside. We see price action above this 4-hour box. Our entry would be here, our stop loss was down here, and literally we was looking for this take profit over here, or even at least this area over here. We can see price action hit our first TP and even went to our second take profit area, giving us a possible another second entry from this point here all the way up to this level here for a 300 pip trade. Now when we come over to EURCHF, we can see the same thing over here. We can see price action broke through this area where these squares were, and then we can see there was a retest to this area, and then we had a take profit all the way down here for 100 pips. Our stop loss would have been above this box over here, and remember our take profit is always the lower liquidity, the sell side liquidity. But if we zoom out, we can see there was a take profit level right over here, and that was around about a 100 pip move. Euro USD, now this was another signal trade setup I gave, so I was even telling people to get in from here, but you can see how easy this is with NEO. As soon as price action broke this high here, we would have had a break of structure, or we would have had a change of character at this point, and then we can even see price action also even broke structure here, went above this box, came back. You would have had your entry right over here, your stop loss below this level, and then your TP level would literally just be this place over here. Again, the buy side liquidity at the top top that hasn't been breached before, and price action actually went up 270 pips from this area. With GBPCAD, we can see the same setup happening here as well. So we had our break of structure above these areas here with these squares, and as soon as that happened, we would have had a BOS form. As soon as that BOS formed, all we had to do is look for our entry on this box. Our stop loss was below this area here, and our take profit was here. So 270 pips, and this was a signal trade setup again that I gave out. This is why we have such a high pip amount when it comes to this video and the signal trades I actually gave out. You can see here again, there was another possible entry. This was another turncoat level, and as soon as price action came back to this box here, you had another take all the way up to this level here, which would have been 160 pips, but actually went very far. So from down here to here, this was a 450 pip trade. GBPUSD, this was another signal trade. I gave out the signal from this area around here. So even if we waited for what Neo could actually display for us, we can see straight away price action broke up to this level. Again, gave a little retest here. Entry would have been here, stop loss below this level. I did mention it in a previous video, and I did show people that you're looking at your take profit coming around this area here. So it hasn't hit this level, but this was still a very good move for around about 200 pips. With NZDCAD, we had this as a verified level here. It was actually like that last week. We had our bullish break of structures here. Price action never went bearish. You can see it was just creating lows, never went bearish. And then you would have had a pending order here, literally your stop loss below this box again, and you would have been targeting this high for a TP1, and you would have been targeting this high up here for a TP2. So it hasn't hit this level yet, but we did have price action buy from this level here for about 200 pips. Okay, so with NZDCHF, you can see straight away what's happened. We had a bearish break of structure here, and even from this box straight away, you can already see price action has sold literally about 35 pips. So even if you wanted to scalp like this, you could do it, but I prefer to find the setups and day trade from them. With NZDUSD, the same as that thing here, waiting, you can see price action broke bullish structure to the upside. Price action came above this level, and then we had one take profit here, and then you did have one take profit here, but you can see price action broke straight through and grabbed that liquidity, then it came back. So when this happens, put a pending order on this level. So if it does come back exactly like what you can see here with this wick, then it could just run away with you and you can take price. And look here, went at least to 126 pips, which was our actual take profit level. Now with USDCAD, you had a bearish break of structure over here, and then you can see it broke through this area right over here. Price action obviously pulled back a little bit. Your stop loss would have been above this box, and then you would have been looking to take price all the way down to this level here, which we can see price action hit that level. And now when we come over to USDCHF, we can see there was a break of structure right here in the market because price action has shown us with these squares, and then we've seen price action broke through this level after a long period of time of consolidating, and now we would have had our entry right over here. And of course we can't see no take profit levels, so when that happens, you need to adjust your liquidity levels, put them further back. So you can see more, mine is set to 2000 right now, and then we can see we had take profit levels here, here. So now time for me to show you gold, and this is a live trade you can see right here in the market. So right now we've got a break of structure over here, nice and printed with those squares. We can see a turncoat has happened right here, so you would have a pending order here. I've already told people in the free group you should be looking to take a buy trade because price action hasn't broke this level in about 4 days. So for it to break this level, it's more than likely going to continue to buy. Your stop loss would be just below this box here, and your take profit level would be from this box, and you're looking to take price all the way up to here. Why I'm saying not this one here, because of the breakout we can see already took this liquidity. We're looking for price to continue to at least this level here. So price action has the possibility of doing another 700 pips for a continuation of a buy. And this one's absolutely beautiful. So you saw this trade at the beginning of the video where I was telling people to get in. So I literally gave them the stop loss from the box below here. I told them that our entry should be based on price action being in this box and it actually going from a verified level to a turncoat level, as you can see over here. And then we were just holding this trade, and then literally we saw a massive breakout. Our target level was right over here, and you can see right now price action hit that target level. So this was the trade here, and you can see why it was around 3000 pips. If you do want to get into Neo, it is released right now, so you can get in for 100 GBP. There's 15 more slots left, and this is for lifetime access. You will also get all of the VIP services you can see on the screen at the moment, and if you do manage to make a payment even today, you'll get access straight away. All you have to do is message me. With all that being said, guys and girls, don't forget to hit the like button, share, subscribe, drop a comment. It's your boy Big John, and I'm out. Peace.
Started from the bottom like Drake. Got that young moolah, but I learned my mistakes. Climbing up the ladder, gotta watch out for the snakes. If you wanna be the boss, then you have to delegate.